In this video, you will be shown how to log in and borrow eBooks and eAudiobooks using the Wheelers ePlatform website. First things first, from the ILC homepage, click on the eBook/eAudio button. You will be redirected to stignatiusgeelong.eplatform.co. If you're not on this webpage, you might need to select our library, which is St. Ignatius College Geelong. In the top right corner, click the Sign In button. Enter your school username. This is the same as you would use to get into your laptop. And then enter your school assigned password. Make sure that the tick box is checked for easy future access. Then click Sign In. To search for a book, click Browse or type the name of the book, then click Search. There are two different kinds of resources available on ePlatform: eBooks and eAudiobooks. You can tell the difference between the two because the eAudiobook has a headphones icon on it. To borrow a title, simply click on it, then click on the Borrow button. You will have this book for 2 weeks. Once you're finished with the book, return it so others can read it as well. To read the book, click on the Read button. You can scroll through the book using the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard, or you can click the mouse on the right side or the left side to go backwards and forwards. The customized display settings are there to assist you with reading. These are at the top of the page. The first is the back arrow button, which takes you back to the ePlatform website. The list button shows you all the chapters in the book. The bookmarks button stores all your ebook bookmarks for this book. The reading settings button allows you to change the background colours, font styles, text brightness, letter spacing to make it a bit easier to read for you. On the right side, there is a search icon. You can search for words and also get the definition of words. The next icon along is full screen mode. Lastly is the context menu button, where you can bookmark a page, return the loan, browse the ebooks, go back to the library, store offline, or find out more information. If there's a title that's greyed out, it means that someone else is currently borrowing the title. Click on Reserve, and then when that person's finished with the book, you'll be notified and then have the chance to borrow the book. To listen to an audiobook, click on the Listen button. From here, to play the book, click the Play button. You can move forwards and backwards by 10 seconds or per chapter. The menu button will give you a list of all the chapters. Currently, I'm at chapter number 4. Once you're finished, click on the back button to return to your library. If you have any questions or want to know more about the platform, contact one of the librarians at library@ignatius.vic.edu.au. Thank you for your time.